Right, in the booth, got a alfa romeo, giulia, quadrifoglio, whatever they are. Nice one. I did a big paint job on this last week. I was polishing it. It was rear quarters, full side on the passenger side, just the rear quarter on this side, and damaged the door, didn't I? Dropped the DA on it, so we're going to do a little blow in. Right, we're in here all masked up. Some of you fuckers might say, oh, what are you blowing that in for? It's a 80 grand car. Just want to test my blowing skills, to be fair. If it's shit and I can't polish the blend in or anything goes wrong, then I'll just paint the whole door. But you don't practice, you don't learn. So yeah, primed it, got flip edge all the way along there, little blow-in tunnel, and a sensor. Got a sensor here, paint to go in the rear bumper. So yeah, I'll put some base on it, clear it, and I'll show you once I've cleared and put some blender down. That's what it's come out like. Right, we're all based up. Used a little Iwata LPH80 tiny gun. So based up, tacked off. Now let's chuck some clear on it. See how this goes. Right, job's a good one. It's come out alright so far. I'll see if it all polishes in alright. A few bits of shit in, but it's a blow in. It's a blow in. And I'm wearing a woolly hat. So yeah, oh, and no paint suit. There's going to be a few bits of shit in, but see how it polishes up. Right, here it is, all polished up. Hard to see in this light, but